Thanks for the live stream. Working Money channel. Thanks. I've been catching your videos lately. Interested to see where else you go.
Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Working Money, getting your money working for you. First off, I just wanted to give a shout out to DM Logic for giving me a shout out on his live stream yesterday. DM Logic, you did a great job on the live stream. Thanks so much for the shout out. Glad you're watching the channel. Hope you're getting something out of it. So just wanted to do that first. But in today's episode, guys, we're going to talk a little bit about how people are irrationally pessimistic in bear markets. And this was mentioned by Brian Armstrong, the CEO of Coinbase. Now, guys, as we can see, the cryptocurrency market today has taken another dive. Everything's in the red. We see Bitcoin here is down 5.54%, Ethereum down 9.13%, Ripple XRP 5.08%. Guys, everything's down here. EOS has taken a pretty big hit too, almost 11%. And guys, everything's in the red. And as we know, this is because the market isn't large, so the amount of volume it takes to manipulate it isn't that big. So, there may be a few people at the top that own a lot of Bitcoin, and so they are able to manipulate the market quite easily. So let's read this article through and let's talk a little bit about it. So Brian Armstrong, the CEO and co-founder of Coinbase, recently spoke about the price of Bitcoin and the market in general. He also spoke about the patterns observed in the market over the 2013, 2014, and 2017 bubbles. And as we can see here, guys, he tweeted this out in this tweet here. By the way, I did also want to give a shout out to XRP_Canada, who did send me this article. Thanks so much, XRP_Canada. You're really great, guys. If you're not following XRP_Canada, please do. You don't have to be Canadian. He gives out all kinds of great information regarding Ripple and XRP. So back to the article. As you can see, guys, he mentions these uptrends. So as we can see, 2013, there was an uptrend followed by a significant downtrend. Same with 2014. We see a huge bull run up followed by a bear run down. And now 2017, we saw a huge bull run up followed by a bearish crash. So guys, as we can see, the highs kept getting higher. So this was 2013, 2014 here, and now 2017. So we keep breaking the roof. Okay, so overall the trend goes up. And what could that mean next? Is the pattern going to continue or not? I did a video on this before showing the ultimate history of Bitcoin. You guys can check it out. Don't remember which day it was, but it's in the I haven't done too many videos, so it's very easy to find, I'm sure. He shared this information on Twitter earlier today with a 10-part thread. Over the course of the thread, he explored his views on the industry and the cycles in which it occurs. He begins by saying the crypto industry is like no other I've seen. Lots of up and down cycles reaching a new plateau each time. He stated that it can be scary for first-timers, but is a norm for those who have spent time in the industry. Now, guys, if you've spent time in the trading stocks or anything like that, or even cryptocurrency, you know there's uptrends and downtrends, and in some cases it can be quite predictable when those occur. Notably, the CEO of Binance, CZ, holds the same kind of opinion. So we have the CEO of Binance, the CEO of Coinbase, both telling us the same thing, okay? There are uptrends, there are downtrends. For first timers, if you haven't been in the market that long, you may see a strong uptrend followed by a huge downtrend and you might get scared, right? Armstrong showed the similarities with previous markets, saying, when there is hype, people are irrationally exuberant. When there is despair, people are irrationally pessimistic. This couldn't be more true. He went on to say that neither of these is true and that the reality of the situation was always somewhere in the middle. The reality is more correlated with the real usage of statistics, such as transactions per day rather than price. Armstrong demonstrated the school of thought that many hodlers do, saying that down cycles in the market allow for getting rid of the people who are in it for the wrong reasons. Guys, again, this is totally true. There are a lot of people in the market that are just in it for the short term, short-term gains. When Lambo guys, they want to just make a quick dollar and get out before the market crashes again. And these are day traders. And it's okay to be a day trader. However, this is not an indicator of an exuberant market. And so they're in it for the wrong reasons. He said that this was an opportunity to keep making progress while everyone else is distracted. Interestingly, Armstrong said that the down cycles are used to build a strong foundation to thrive into the next growth cycle. This correlates with the current market trend where the bear market saw a period of technological, regulatory, and partnership-related movement forward for many top cryptocurrencies. And guys, we know this with Ripple XRP. They're making headway. They're using this time to build the company, create partnerships, all that stuff. This progress will then fuel and support the next bull market. He said, I want to encourage you all to ignore the price of crypto and the headlines, which will inevitably start to come up. Our job is to rise above that, finding our own intrinsic source of motivation to come in and do our best work, regardless of what other people think. He finishes off by saying, we will win in the long term, with the final goal being shifting the world towards an open financial system. And guys, this sentiment goes, it's not just held by these cryptocurrency gurus. This is, famously mentioned by Warren Buffett. I don't know if you guys know Warren Buffett. He's an old school stock trader in his 80s, worth billions of dollars. And a famous Warren Buffett quote is, it is wise to be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful. And guys, this goes to the point of the up and down swings of the market. Be greedy when others are fearful. So when the market's down, others are fearful, be greedy, buy up your XRP, buy up your cryptocurrencies, your stock, whatever it is, and be fearful when others are greedy. So when the trends are going up and we see huge uptrends, when we see this kind of a thing, be fearful, guys. Get rid of, take your money off the table because it's going to come down again. And that's exactly what happens. So guys, that's going to be the video for today. Thanks so much for watching. Please like the video. Please subscribe to the channel. Leave comments. Love to hear what you guys have to say. Do you guys agree with Brian Armstrong's sentiment, or with Warren Buffett for that matter? Like, subscribe. Would love to hear what you guys say. See you in the next video.